All right, number 15. State's Athletics Procedures Committee makes policy decisions affecting high school athletic programs throughout the state. Memories. The committee consists of 4 administrators. They're using A for administrators. 7 faculty members. They're using A for administrators and F for faculty members. And then I guess because they've already used A for administrators, they're using the letter T for athletes, and there's 4 of those. Guess I should be highlighting the numbers too. 7 faculty and 4 administrators. Okay, and then 6 non-athletes. Okay, non-athletes. They're using the H for non-athletes. I don't know, maybe an N might have made more sense there, but okay, whatever. All right, assume that each of these 4 groups votes in a block. That means, like, for example, when the administrators vote, and there's 4 of them, they have all decided they're going to agree to vote the same way. So anyway, to make a policy change, a vote of at least 14, what color? I'm going to use purple. At least, vote of at least 14 is required. Find all the winning coalitions of A, F, T, and H and state their weights. Below are the 15 possible coalitions. So you can see that they have already done, here's the 4 singles, right? There's A, F, T, and H by themselves. And then you've got a double. Thought I changed that color. Here's the first double, and then the rest of the doubles. AF, yeah, because it's AF, AT, AH, FT, FH, and TH. So AF, AT, AH, FT, FH, TH. And then you've got your triples right here. And then last but not least is the group itself right there, AFTH. All right, so anyway, if a coalition is a winning coalition, another highlighter here. Let's go with this color. If a coalition is a winning coalition, enter its weight in the answer box. Otherwise, type the letter N. All right, well, A is just 4, so that's not a winning coalition, so you type an N. F is 7, that's not a winning coalition. T is 4, that's not a winning coalition. And H is 6, and that is not a winning coalition. All right, A and F, if A and F are together, and I can see it right here. Here's A and F, 4 and 7. That adds up to 11, and that's not enough. Then you've got A and T, and A and T. Here's A, and here's T. 4 and 4, that only adds up to 8. That is not a winning coalition. Then we've got, let me erase these lines here. We're here, A and H. A is 4 and H is 6, and 4 and 6, that adds up to 10. That is not a winning coalition. Let me try a different color underneath here. How about red? All right, F and T. F is 7, T is 4. That adds up to 11. That is not a winning coalition. F is 7, H is 6. 7 and 6 is 13. Nope, that's not a winner. Oh my. T is 4. H is 6. 4 plus 6 adds up to 10. Nope, that's not a winner. Where's my winners? What are we looking for? We're looking for 14. None of the doubles are 14? I guess not. All right, A, F, and T. A is 4, F is 7, and T is 4. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. That adds up to 15. 15 is a winning coalition. All right, A is 4, F is 7, and H is 6. That adds up to 17. There's another winning coalition. A is 4, T is 4, and H is 6. That adds up to 14. Ding, ding, ding. F is 7, T is 4, H is 6. That adds up to 17. Another one. And then 4 and 7 and 4 and 6 is 21. Okay. Now, I must have regenerated this because I had worked this problem, I think last semester, the semester before, and I remember I had a couple of the 2's that added up. So this number right here, you know, they can change any of these numbers, and my math lab will regenerate them for every student. So you might have to have a vote of at least maybe 10. And then if it were 10, then I would have been looking at this one and this one and this one and this one and this one. Those would have all been winning coalitions too, you know. But they weren't on this, so, you know, I just put the ends in there. Anyway, that's number 15. And I got one more question to go over with you.